Okay guys, good evening. Just arrived home from work and have this. Here you go. And this waiting for me. Now, I don't know if any of you follow Stan, but I'll send a link to Stan's YouTube. Been following for a wee while now on YouTube and on Twitter, and we've got to know each other, have a wee bit of chat just online about different things, about bushcraft and all. And I seen that he was knocking out some lovely handcrafted wooden bowls, and he says he would make one for me. Now, there is a letter attached to the box that clearly says, "Read me." So excuse me. Okay, there's more than that. Stan, thank you very much. This bowl that's in here is unique because of how and where he got it. It's made from walnut that was rescued. Somebody was going to use to burn. So, and Stan has got hold of it and turned it into something that can give the tree life again. You want to see what's in it as well? My sidekick. Alright, my girl. My girl. Kiss, kiss. Oh, yeah. Isn't it always frustrating when you're watching an unboxing? The guys just can't get it unboxed. Wow. Thank you very much, Stan. Thank you very much, buddy. Andy from NI Survival has put me on a wee bit of a quest that I want to go on, because I want to be more efficient when I'm out in the woods. Knowledge of the trees that surround me and the plants that surround me is very, very important, and Stan has sent me this book as a gift to help me along that path, and thank you very much, buddy. I'm gonna read it, but I'm gonna treasure it. I'm gonna learn as much as I can from it. And just looking at the actual content, the natural history and the folklore, subjects I'm very interested in. Now, what have we got? Oh my word. Oh my word, man, that is beautiful. That is beautiful, buddy. It's got so much character in it. It's not at all what I was expecting. It's nothing what I was expecting. To be honest with you, I was expecting something that maybe I would take out with me with my cook kit, and and use it to pour bits and pieces into, but this thing's going to take pride in place. This is really, really cool. Thank you. This is something that I can imagine, well, I know it's going to take pride in place in my desk upstairs, but when the time comes, it's the sort of thing that it's going to get handed on to my daughter, a handcrafted piece of walnut from a good friend. That means something. I'll give you a close up on this. Just look at the character in that bowl. Look at the greens. Detail. Stan, that's lovely, man. Really, really nice. Well done. I think the dog likes it. Do you like it, Taz? Good girl. Buddy, thank you. Thank you for the book. Thank you for the bowl. And thank you for your friendship.